Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, taas ba na kung kauban? We are here in, we just going back because it looks like down here. We are here at the park, walking, and I saw a store on the road. That's Aldi. We are in a Mercy Park, so yeah. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of like that. So it's 9 o'clock and it's really bright and sunny. Okay, keep going. So this is the park, but we're going down. Yeah, that's my body of walking. Did you see that fountain? It's really good. And also this, what do you call this one? Sculpture. Yeah, sculpture. So did you see the sculpture? Before when we come here, they don't have this much. Now, a lot. Yes. They don't have this before. See this? That one. And here's another one. Over that way. And I saw horse. See the horsey over here. And what do you call this one? Come on. See? Horse. And what is this? Lion?
Yeah,
see lion. The lion?
See what it says about it. Drink the terrain.
Yeah, it's a lion in front of the... What do you call that one? Go to the middle, let him take picture. You're not?
Go down this way, down there, by the water edge.
In the water?
Not in the water.
Okay, by the water? Okay.
Oh, okay.
This way? Okay. See? Come on, Dad. Go. Cause I don't touch my phone. I'm gonna push you. It's kinda deep though. See? I don't like. I like the fountain, but I don't like. See the fountain over there too. Fountain. That's a flower rate. But I'm just saying, guys, that there's a lot. This one, we're going to the big cross on that. We're going.
Indian.
Look at this one here.
Wishing on a star.
Wishing.
Okay. Roger.
I'm sure during nighttime it's very good in here. I have a video here before, but it's like, I don't know how long is that. I forgot. Maybe like 3 years ago we come here. There's a lot of improvement. See, I know this. I know this time they have here before. That's another fountain over there. So yeah, we go down there because we're going to the hill. Huh? We have water in the car. Oh, you gonna drink? Oh. Iuhaw na daw ako ang... Oh, ako'y nakita. I saw turtle. Hi! I keep blowing my nose because, you know. Hi, turtle. Good morning. Inom na ako ang bana kay giuhaw na siya. What's the taste of that water, sir?
Not real good.
Not real. What? Why you
Tasted
think?
weird. Not very, it tasted like faucet water that was lukewarm.
Oh, the water tastes weird now. Did you think the water have taste?
Yeah, that one did.
Oh, really?
All one's got taste. Taste. It's got
Yeah, I like
flavor to it.
Great Value water compared it some. Huh?
I'd break the bunny's back.
No. I want him to sit on the bunny. He said he gonna break the bunny's back. Meaning he's really heavy though. Did you know that one at the very top that they have on that one that we're going there? That's the Mercy Hospital before. Then the tornado hit like 2011. And that's what it looks like right now. See? That's a hospital before.
Parking garage. It was like 60 floors high. You go up and up the parking garage.
Yeah. So we're going to the stairs. Going to the oh, there's a mom feeding the baby. The sculpture there. Okay. Okay, so this is the
20, good morning, 20. Oh, this is their exercise.
Oh.
Work out.
So this is the beginning of the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All the way to the bottom, then race back to the top, and then race to the bottom. I'll skip it a whole.
Did you notice this? You see the caterpillar thing?
Yeah.
That's not from the tree. It's from the grass.
Yes.
The grass, because even here they have like that. Okay. We're going to the top of the steps. See, we are closer to the, what do you call that one there? It's not very big building, but what do you call that one?
The
Louder. What do you call that one?
Gazebo.
I don't know what do you call this one. He said gazebo, but as what I said earlier, that one that they put supposed to be, that is the hospital before. So the tornado hit and it's washed out. This is the last step. See, kapoy, may pagkadaghag ulod ba? Okay, we're in the top and I saw a lot of yellow. You see that? Gonna go this way. Have a big hand, really big hand over here. I know we come here like maybe 3 years ago, and this one over here is not in here yet. See how big is that hand over here? Oh, there you go. I'm gonna sit down here. I'm tired. Daddy. Daddy. He didn't hear me. He is there, sitting under. See? And I call him to sit over here. It's cooler there too. Okay.